Okay, this is one of my favorite blocks in this whole area. Oh, and did you see this girl's coming up behind us now? But I kind of felt bad because she was riding on the sidewalk. There's a lot of people who, if you travel this neighborhood at all, you see a lot of people that bike on the sidewalk, and it's because they don't feel safe riding in the streets. But actually, you're not supposed to ride on the sidewalk. You're supposed to ride in the street, and it should be safe to ride on the street. The reason it doesn't feel safe is because the cars, and if you look at this guy coming right now, the cars go really fast through here. We've done some speed studies, and the median speed is higher than the posted speed, in places. And it's just not, it doesn't feel safe because people drive fast. The streets have been scaled so that people can drive fast, and all the parking's been encouraged to be off-street. And so you don't have the cars here, you don't have the things that naturally slow people down. But this block here has kept a lot of its historic character. And I just love this block because I love being able to look at the houses. And let me just show you. Imagine the streetcar line coming through here now. It would have come down the middle of the street. You had all these houses, and look at the porches on them. Look at the front space. The houses on that side and on this side are spaced at such a distance that they actually frame this public space the way a picture frame frames a picture. So from a design standpoint, the idea was to space the homes at just the right spot so that when you're standing here, they actually form like a wall that frames this public space. Then you would have the sidewalks, and then you would have this boulevard, and the boulevard would have the trees along it. Not trees that would be, like a crabapple, scraggly something, but a tree that would grow to have a thick trunk that would actually serve as that frame, right? And then have a nice bushy top that would give it the shade. If you look at like where we were back by Lowell, where they removed the trees, or along H Street where they removed the trees, we weren't in shade anywhere. But here, we're standing, essentially the same street, but you've kept these trees, and if you look at them, I mean, they provide an enormous amount of shade. And that's so that, people walking along here, people in this space, even on a hot day like today, would not be standing in the sun. So you look at this street and imagine that essentially the entire streetcar line used to look just like this, but with a streetcar right down the middle. And you see how when they laid this out and they designed it and they built it, they were building places that were really cool, really spectacular, meant to be very livable, very valuable for people to be in. These are some really nice homes, and they haven't kind of withstood time. I mean, they've suffered some neglect, but if you look at them and you compare them to some of the other places where we started out, these are some really well-designed, well-placed homes that literally just need a little bit of love.